Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best oscillating tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt Oscillating Tool. The DeWalt DWE315K Oscillating Tool features a powerful and reliable 3.0 amp motor that makes every cutting job you tackle easy to handle. Its quick change accessory system enables you to replace blades quickly and easily, and its reliable dial grip puts you in total control of speed changes that take place while you work. The Oscillating Tool Guide system lets you set depth and height measurements for accurate readings. The DeWalt DWE315K has also included a small, but powerful, LED light that brightens dark spaces and makes tough jobs easier to complete. There are many other features, too, including 29 attachments that feature blades that can handle every project. The multi-brand accessory adapter lets you use this kit with accessories from other manufacturers. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dremel MM4005 Multi-Max 3.8 Amp Oscillating Tool. This Dremel oscillating tool packs 3.8 amps of raw power, a fact that makes cutting jobs easier. Its 3.2 degrees of oscillation is another positive that makes this particular tool one of the best oscillating multi-tool for performance in its price range. Add to all that the fact that there are 36 accessories, and it's easy to understand why people love Dremel. The Dremel Multi-Max M40 Oscillating Tool is equipped with a powerful 3.8 amp motor, also coupled with 3.2 degrees of oscillation, which makes it the highest amp-rated tool at the $129 price point. In addition to the amps, the new kit offers 36 accessories offering customers a $115 value, as well as the quick change feature, and you have one of the best oscillating toolkits in the marketplace. At number 3, we have the Rockwell RK5151K 4.2 amp Sonicrafter F80 Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Rockwell Sonicrafter F80 is a powerful tool that features 5 and 3.4 Duotech oscillation technology to help you control speeds and oscillation angles while working. The Rockwell Universal Fit system allows you to change blades and other attachments quickly and easily, while its universal accessory interface lets you replace existing parts with similar parts from other manufacturers. The oscillating tool also comes with a Hyperlock tool-free clamp, which is easy to use and provides 1 ton of clamping force to prevent slippage during use. It also features a LED light that illuminates dark work areas without being too bright. Clearly, this is a kit that will serve the needs of both professionals and amateur do-it-yourselfers well. At number 2, we have the Bosch Power Tools. This oscillating multi-tool is loaded with great features, some of which are not available anywhere else. The company behind this product, Bosch, has a well-deserved reputation for producing high-quality work tools. And, as many have discovered, this Bosch GOP 40-30C model is no exception. It is reliable, rugged and built to last for years. The Bosch JA1007 Dust Extraction Kit allows for dust extraction and collection with Bosch JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. Kit includes clear dust hood, 2,605,510,293, dust tube, 2,605,730,055, and vacuum hose adapter, VAC024. And finally at number 1, we have the Porter Cable Oscillating Tool Kit. 52 accessories and a 10-foot power cord make the Porter Cable PCE605K52 oscillating tool popular with construction professionals and do-it-yourself amateurs. The lengthy cord enables you to use this tool like one that is battery operated, because you can move freely around a worksite to complete a job. There are many other features that make this affordable multi-tool a must-have for everybody who works with his hands.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.